Hello everyone, nice to have you back for another episode of our 107 channel. Today's issue is a strange loss of power, which the owner did not even notice at all. I took a ride out of curiosity and noticed the sluggish performance of this very car. When pressing on the pedal, nothing really happened for the first couple of centimeters. She accelerated a little when pressing harder on the pedal, but by far not the way it should be. So I went looking for these missing horsepowers and found the culprit. It is a teeny weeny little plastic part which is interconnected within the throttle linkage. This plastic part was completely gone, nothing of it was left. Maybe due to dry rot or some other reason it was gone anyway. This part costs a mere €4, and please stay put till after the introduction where we start looking for these missing horsepowers. Well, I am back. This is the throttle linkage, and right here, between this rod, which looks like a fork, and this mounting, should be this mysterious plastic part. Now, this is the normal movement of this rod when I press on the pedal. As you see, there is way too much play between these connecting gears to have a reaction such as acceleration. To have a vividly before and after demonstration, we start now. Part of this, which I always like best, is the test ride. I will demonstrate how sluggish the car is accelerating. After that, we will mount that plastic part and go for an after test ride. Let us see how sluggish the car is accelerating without that plastic part. Let me warm up the engine first. The car really does hardly react when I press the pedal, all because of this €4 plastic part. So this here is this mysterious part, original wrapping from Mercedes, still available today. This is the way it looks like. It is flexible and can be mounted without tools at all. We remove this safety cotter pin and press the rod towards the firewall. Take the rod out of its linkage here and slide the part over these two, let me say, tines of a fork or pins. Press it all together so the plastic slides through these holes. This is the way it should look like, the proper way. You see, there is a little play, but not by far as it has been before. We put the cotter pin back in place and go for a test ride in a minute. We warm up the engine and have a look at the acceleration. What I can tell you right now, the reaction is much more direct and a lot faster when I press the pedal, and the reaction is instantly. I noticed the difference right away. Simply amazing. A little plastic part for a couple of euros changed a lot. Concerning acceleration, as you see, there's a difference like day and night, just because of this teeny weeny little plastic part. We think that due to age this part had simply brittled away. Last year the engine bay got a dry ice treatment, so we think that the remaining leftovers of this part got blown away. The owner said he did not notice any difference from the previous years, since this is only a sunny summer Sunday afternoon cruiser for quiet country lanes. The car does a mere average of 1,000 miles per summer and is being fully serviced every spring. Maybe the mechanic simply overlooked this missing part, which is exposed to heat because of its close vicinity to the engine. If you do have such an engine 110, have a look if this part is still what it should be. For a couple of euros I have added a 50 horsepower, give or take, within 5 minutes of work without tools and without making my hands dirty. Since I'm used to a 560 with an engine of the double size, I noticed a difference right away. Well, this is it for today. Been showing you an issue on a 6-cylinder engine instead of my V8 big block. Hope you have liked it. Subscribe if you like. See you again next time. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.